Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best beach folding table is probably one of the most versatile and convenient items you can bring to the beach, transforming your beach experience from simply relaxing to a comfortable and enjoyable day by the sea, perfect for families, couples, or solo adventurers who want to elevate their beach day with extra convenience and comfort, offering a stable surface for food, drinks, games, and more, ensuring a relaxing and enjoyable time for everyone. Number 5. HICCAPOP OmniBoost Travel Booster Seat. It's perfect for any outing. Take it to the beach, camping, grandma's house, or a restaurant. It folds compactly for easy travel. Keep your little one secure and cozy with its gentle restraint system. The buckles are easy to use with one hand. Say goodbye to messy stains. The cover is easily removable and machine washable for effortless cleaning. It features a convenient, swiveling tray that's dishwasher safe and BPA free. Remove it as your child grows. It has a wide, stable base and added duck feet for extra stability on uneven surfaces. No more tipping. What we like? It's lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for outings. The safety harness keeps your little one secure. Plus, the washable cover makes cleanup a breeze, so you can focus on enjoying your time at the beach. If you're looking for a portable and safe option for your baby, this is the one for you. What people say. Low to the ground. This chair is low to the ground, making it easy for little ones to get in and out of by themselves. Versatile uses. It serves multiple purposes: an activity chair, high chair, lounge chair, and more. The versatility is fantastic. Portability. The chair is lightweight and slim, making it easy to pack and carry. Perfect for on-the-go families. Loved how easy it was to set up and take down. It has a perfect pocket on the back to put things like books and bibs. It clips easily onto any kind of chair. It is sturdy enough to fit our almost 3-year-old. Extremely washable. The straps got their fill and came out clean as well. Easy setup. The extra wide duck feet were great for extra stability. Portability. Obviously we got this seat because it is so portable. We hauled it all over. Number 4. Rock Cloud Camping Table. It weighs just 2.6 pounds and folds down to a compact size, making it easy to transport anywhere. Take it camping, hiking, or even to the beach. With its unique storage bag, you'll have extra space for all your gear. The bag attaches securely to the frame with Velcro. The table features a durable hinged connection, unlike other tables with bungee cords. This makes it stronger and more stable. No tools are needed. Simply unfold the frame, attach the tabletop, and you're ready to use it. It's that simple. Made from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, it's waterproof, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. It's tough enough for any outdoor adventure. With its lightweight design, ample storage, and sturdy construction, it's the perfect companion for all your outdoor activities. Enjoy. What we like? This table is incredibly lightweight and easy to transport, ideal for hikers and campers. The large storage bag provides extra space for your gear. Its durable aluminum construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. If you need a sturdy and portable table for your adventures, this is perfect for you. What people say. It rolls up when not in use, nice and small. It's easy to snap together and perfect for next to the fire pit. While I'm not going to lug this table down the trail, if I'm car camping it's fantastic. It's compact when folded down but very sturdy when assembled. The perfect height for a low camp chair or while cooking on a fire or the ground. Perfect for meals for 1 or 2 or for a small speaker. Easy setup that takes about 30 seconds to set up and take down. It is a good size to use at the campfire. Will fit plates and cups for 2 people. It's not too short nor too tall to eat off of sitting in packable camp chairs. Number 3. iClimb Ultralight Alu Table. This innovative table is unlike any other. Its unique hinged design ensures lasting durability, unlike those with bungee cords. You'll love the beautiful natural color of the new wood grain tabletop. It offers a flat, stable surface perfect for any occasion. It's ultralight, weighing only 1.5 pounds, yet supports up to 66 pounds. Its low profile ensures stability, unlike taller tables. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it's waterproof, corrosion resistant, and easy to clean. Plus, it's heat resistant, so you can even place a stove on it. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and store. Setup is a breeze. Simply open and enjoy your leisure time in seconds. It's ideal for picnics, camping, fishing, or even breakfast in bed. The perfect height and size for drinks and snacks. We're confident in its quality, offering a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. Enjoy worry-free use for years to come. What we like. Weighing in at just 1.5 pounds, it's incredibly portable and easy to carry. The unique hinged design ensures lasting durability. Its compact size makes it perfect for slipping into a beach bag or backpack. If you value portability and durability in a small package, this is the table for you. What people say. So handy, convenient and portable. It is a good and solid table, great for the beach. It is super easy to pack and take anywhere. Packs up small, lightweight, took it on a recent trip and was nice to have for setting the stove on and setting bowls down. Number 2. Laces Folding Camping Table. It offers a spacious surface, perfect for your phone, books, food, and even a card game with friends. Its height is just right for comfortable use. This portable table folds up neatly and comes with a convenient carrying bag. It's lightweight and easy to transport wherever you go. Setting it up or packing it away is a breeze. It's ideal for parties, camping trips, or any outdoor gathering. Made from durable, waterproof canvas and stainless steel, it's easy to wipe clean after use. Say goodbye to messy cleanups. Standing at 23.8 inches tall, it's the ideal height for picnics, beach days, camping, barbecues, or any adventure. Enjoy its versatility. It has 4 built-in cup holders, keeping your drinks close at hand and preventing spills. Enjoy your drinks without worry. A convenient storage bag is included for easy transport and storage. Keep it organized and ready for your next outing. What we like. With ample space for food, drinks, and games, it's perfect for a beach picnic or tailgate party. It folds up easily and comes with a convenient carrying bag. Its simple design makes setup a breeze. If you need a large, easy-to-use table for your outdoor gatherings, this is the one for you. What people say. They're lightweight and very sturdy. They can hold up to 4 drinks, or whatever you'd like to put in the cup holders. I like that it has a bottom shelf to hold just a little more. Easy assembly and take down. This is such a sturdy portable table. Durable and easy to assemble. Clean with a damp cloth, if necessary, otherwise, just brush off debris. It holds drinks and plenty of other items to keep them out of the sand. We have room for 4 drinks, snacks, portable speaker, and attach a trash bag to the leg of the table. Number 1. Rock Cloud Portable Beach Table. It weighs only 1.5 pounds and folds down easily for travel. Take it anywhere with its convenient carry bag. It's perfect for your next adventure. Despite its compact size, it's built from durable aluminum alloy. It's waterproof, rust-proof, and can handle up to 60 pounds. This model features a unique hinged connection, making it more durable and stable than other folding tables. Say goodbye to flimsy bungee cords. No tools or assembly required. It's so easy to set up, you can do it with one hand. It's great for the beach, camping, fishing, picnics, and even indoor use. This versatile table is perfect for any occasion. What we like. This table is incredibly lightweight, making it perfect for beach trips or camping adventures. The high-quality aluminum construction ensures durability and longevity. It's incredibly easy to set up and use, even with one hand. If you prioritize ease of use and lightweight portability, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Light and sturdy. I was rather impressed. I still use a square of foil when cooking on it to avoid burns. I did not expect this to be so compact and sturdy. It's very well designed, easy to assemble and tear down. Have been using it for dogs' food bowl and water and haven't had any problems with it falling. Even with dogs jumping on it. Ultralight and portable. One of the standout features of this table is how lightweight and portable it is. Made from aluminum, it's incredibly easy to carry, even with all the other gear I bring along for a day at the beach or a camping trip. The table folds up compactly and comes with a carrying bag, making it convenient to pack and transport. Sturdy construction. Despite its lightweight design, the table is impressively sturdy. The aluminum frame and tabletop provide a solid surface that can hold drinks, snacks, and other essentials without any wobbling or tipping over. It's also durable enough to withstand the elements, which is crucial for outdoor use. Easy setup. Setting up the table takes just a few seconds. The folding design is intuitive, and everything snaps into place smoothly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.